Most freelance proposals are dead on arrival. They fail before the client even reads past the first paragraph. You spend hours crafting what you believe is the perfect pitch. You polish your credentials. You detail your experience. You hit send, full of hope, only to be met with silence. That silence is the sound of a proposal that didn't connect. It's a frustrating cycle, but what if I told you that you could break it? What if you could write a proposal that not only gets read but gets an enthusiastic yes? And what if you could do it all in less time than it takes to drink your morning coffee? It's not just possible, it's a system. You can change this entire dynamic right now. I'm going to give you my 3-prompt system that writes a winning proposal in 10 minutes. So, where do most freelancers go wrong? The problem is surprisingly simple, yet almost everyone makes it. They lead with themselves. The typical proposal opens like a resume. It starts with, "My name is Jane Doe, and I have 10 years of experience in web design." Then a long list of programming languages, past awards, prestigious clients. The freelancer thinks this builds credibility. From the client's perspective, it's just noise. They don't care about you yet. They care about their own business, their own struggles, their own goals. They have a problem. Maybe their website is slow. Maybe their sales are down. Maybe their social media is a ghost town. They're looking for a lifeline. They need to know within seconds that you understand their specific pain. If your opening is all about your skills and history, you're signaling, "This proposal is about me." That's the opposite of what they need. They need to know this project is about them. That mismatch is the single biggest reason proposals fail. The wrong structure is self-centered: who I am, what I've done, what I can do, and finally the price. Clients skim, get bored, and move on to the freelancer who speaks their language. The right structure is client-centered. Start with their situation, goal, and pain. Then your solution, process, and credentials. It turns a resume into a problem-solution story, with the client as the hero. The first step in our 10-minute system is all about getting the foundation right. Before you write a single word, crystallize your understanding of the client's world. Many freelancers get stuck guessing. We're eliminating that guesswork with a simple AI prompt. Take your messy discovery notes and distill them into a clean, client-centric summary. This should take about 2 minutes. Here's the exact prompt. Copy and paste it into ChatGPT or Claude. I'm pitching a project to client. Here's what I know. Info. Summarize their main goal, problem, priorities, and objections. Keep it to 4 short bullets. The prompt organizes your info into core goal, primary problem, top priorities, likely objections. Example. Imagine a call with Greenleaf Coffee. Your notes: wants more online orders. Site is slow, worried about budget. Checkout is clunky. Goal: increase online orders by improving checkout. Problem: slow site speed causing checkout drop-off. Priority: fix speed, simplify mobile checkout, avoid downtime. Objection: tight budget and fear of long disruptions. Why it works: it's an instant clarification filter. It forces you to adopt the client's point of view. You get 4 golden nuggets to lead with. Use these bullets to open your proposal. The first thing the client reads should reflect their reality. That creates an immediate bond and makes them eager to read more. Chap Saktanao. 1. Summary. Run the research prompt. Extract goal, problem, priorities, objections in 4 bullets in about 2 minutes. With your client-centric research complete, it's time for the main event, drafting the proposal itself. We're going to use a comprehensive prompt that builds the entire proposal for you in seconds. This prompt follows the winning formula: situation, approach, deliverables, timeline, priming, shocking by spam by. Your job is to feed the AI key details. It will generate a client-focused draft that's 90% of the way there. This step is the heart of the 10-minute system. Here's the second prompt you'll use. Notice the instructions. Be direct, keep it short, maintain a client-first perspective. You'll paste the 4 bullets from step 1 into this prompt so the draft aligns perfectly with the client. Prompt to use. Write a short proposal for client name. Start with their situation in 1 sentence, then give a simple approach in 2 to 3 steps. List deliverables as bullets. Add a 4-week timeline. Give pricing with 1 clear total and options. End with 1 short sentence. Why me? Use the following details. Paste 4 bullets. Keep it direct and client first. Situation: Greenleaf Coffee needs more online orders but slow site speed and a confusing checkout cause cart abandonment and lost sales. Approach: 1. Full audit of site speed and checkout bottlenecks. 2. Targeted code fixes to improve performance and simplify checkout on mobile and desktop. 3. Test and monitor for 4 weeks to ensure a measurable lift in orders. Deliverables: comprehensive speed audit report, all necessary performance code fixes, redesigned one-page checkout, 2 rounds of user testing, final results report. Timeline: Week 1, audit and strategy. Weeks 2-3, fixes and implementation. Week 4, testing and final reporting. Pricing: $3,500 total. Option: $2,000 for audit and strategy only. Why me? I specialize in fixing e-commerce speed issues to increase conversion rates for businesses like yours in under 30 days. How you present your price can make or break the deal. Dropping a number at the end makes it feel like a cost to be minimized. This is a huge mistake. Frame your fee as an investment in a valuable outcome. People don't buy hours, they buy results. Make them more money, save them time, reduce their stress. This prompt writes a short, confident pricing section that highlights value first and presents your fee as a strategic investment. Shift the client's mindset from, "How much does this cost?" to 2. "What is the return on this investment?" Prompt: Write a pricing paragraph for this proposal. Start with the benefit. State the total fee as an investment. Offer a lower scope option. Add payment terms, e.g., 50% upfront. Keep the tone confident and brief. Project goal: lift orders. Total fee: $3,500. Audit-only option: $2,000. Example: reduce checkout drop-offs and lift online orders. Full project includes audit, implementation, and testing. Investment: $3,500. Audit-only. Investment: $2,000. Payment: 50% deposit, 50% on completion. Small language change, big psychological difference, and it significantly increases your chances of getting that yes. Now it's time to put all the pieces together and witness the true speed of this system. This is the final sprint, from prompts to a polished, ready-to-send proposal in under 10 minutes. Open your AI tool and your notes. The clock starts now. 1. Run the research prompt. Paste your client notes to get 4 bullets: goal, problem, priorities, objections, about 60 seconds. 2. Run the proposal draft prompt. Paste those bullets. The AI generates the full structure, about 2 minutes. 3. Run the pricing prompt. Use your numbers to generate the investment paragraph, about 60 seconds. Copy into a clean doc and spend 5 minutes on names, dates, figures, 1 personal line, and clarity. You've just created a winning proposal in less time than it takes to brew a pot of coffee. Final checklist. Does the first sentence speak to the client's problem? Is your approach in simple steps? Are deliverables concrete? Is price a single number framed as an investment? Is why me one powerful line? If you can answer yes, your proposal is ready. Send the proposal, then do it again for your next client, and reclaim your hours. 3 prompts, under 10 minutes. Subscribe to Work Smarter Lab for daily AI workflows.